And here we have Gracie, who actually is on the other side of me here on the couch. This little rainy afternoon where it seems to be the thing is for us to just all hang out. So, Gracie's over here with her thunder jacket on. It poured and thundered and lightninged all night last night, and here she is with her thunder jacket still on. Um, it makes such a difference for her. For any of you who are looking for something for your kids, I have always highly recommended these little thunder shirts. They do make a big difference, and it calms her down immediately. So here she is, hanging out on the couch with me over on this side, and everybody is getting their pets and hanging out here on the couch in the tiny house. It's just how it works. As much as I love being out on the property and getting things done, and I mumble to myself when it's been rainy, like it has been for, I don't know, the last couple of weeks. It's been pretty rainy. As much as I mumble about that because I can't get outside and do stuff on Sunday, it actually does give me an incredible opportunity to just focus on what's really important, which is the kids and the love and all of that. So away we go. Away we go with that little game, including all the little belly rubs and everything else that goes with it. Everything else that goes with it. Yes. Yes, indeed. I'm feeling pretty blessed, is how I'm feeling. Yes, I'm feeling pretty blessed. Yes, I am. Gosh. Not sure. Not sure what life would be like without these little creatures in it. Lazy Sunday at Freedom Acres.